Today we are going to start exercise 3.4 in polynomials topic. This is the last exercise in this. Write the first problem. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and write the quotient remainder in each of the following. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x. Divide the polynomial p of x with the polynomial g of x and write the quotient and remainder. So we have to divide the polynomial p of x with the polynomial g of x. After completing the division, we should write the quotient and the remainder. Write the first one. P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. G of x is equal to x square minus 2. So p of x we have to divide by g of x. So x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Let us divide by x square minus 2. While doing the division, we should see the first term here and here. X cube is there, x square is there. X square into how much is equal to x cube? X square into x. Here we have to write the x. Now multiply this with these two. X into x square, x cube, x into minus 2, minus 2x. While subtracting, we will change the sign. This is minus 3x square, 5x plus 2x is 7x. Now x square into how much is equal to minus 3x square, minus 3. So here last number minus 3, let us take it. Now minus 3x square, if you want, x square into minus 3 is minus 3x square. So let us write minus 3 here. Minus 3 into x square minus 3x square minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. So while subtracting, we will change the sign. This is 7x, minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. When degree of the remainder, here degree is 1. If the degree of the remainder is less than degree of the divisor, here degree of the divisor is 2. If the remainder degree is less than the divisor degree, then the division process will be stopped. So this is the remainder, this is the quotient. So quotient is equal to x minus 3, remainder is equal to 7x minus 9. So here the important point is the division process will be stopped if the remainder degree is less than divisor degree. Divisor degree is 2, remainder degree is 1. So we have to stop the division. Write the second one. P of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. G of x is equal to x square plus 1 minus x. Let us divide p of x by g of x. P of x is x to the power 4. Here after x to the power 4, x cube term should be there, but it is not there. For our convenience, I am writing 0 into x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. we have to divide by x square minus x plus 1. Now first term is x to the power 4. X square into how much is equal to x to the power 4? X square into x square. So x square into x square is x to the power 4. X square into minus x is minus x cube. X square into 1 is x square. So while subtracting, we'll change the sign. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. 0x cube plus x cube is x cube. Minus 3x square minus x square is minus 4x square. Next term you have to take, that is 4x. Now x square into how much is equal to x cube? X square into x. So x into x square is x cube. X into minus x is minus x square. X into 1 is x. These two you can cancel. Minus 4x square plus x square is minus 3x square. 4x minus x is 3x. Now next term is 5. Now x square into how much is equal to minus 3x square? Minus 3. So minus 3 into x square minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus x minus 3x. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3. 3x plus 3x is, it is 6x. 5 plus 3 is 8. So here degree of the remainder, that is x power is highest power of x is 1. Here degree of the divisor, highest power of x here is 2. So if the degree of the remainder is less than degree of the divisor, the division process will be stopped. So now we should write quotient, that is x square plus x minus 3. Remainder is 6x plus 8. Write the third one. P of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6. G of x is equal to 2 minus x square. Now P of x we have to divide by G of x. So x to the power 4. Here after x to the power 4, x cube term should be there, that is missing. So we can write 0 into x cube. Next x square term is also missing, 0 into x square. Next minus 5x plus 6. Now we have to divide by 2 minus x square. Let us write in proper manner, that is minus x square plus 2. Now minus x square into how much is equal to x to the power 4? Minus x square into minus x square. So minus x square into minus x square is x to the power 4. Minus x square into 2 is minus 2x square. So this is minus, these two you can cancel. 0x square plus 2x square is 2x square. Next term is minus 5x. Now minus x square into how much is equal to 2x square? Minus 2. Minus 2 into minus x square is 2x square. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. These two you can cancel. Here it is minus 5x. 6 plus 4 is 10. Here degree of the remainder, x power is highest power is 1. Here degree of the divisor, that is highest power is of x is 2. So if the degree of the remainder is less than degree of the divisor, division process we have to stop. So therefore, in this problem, quotient is equal to, we got minus x square minus 2, remainder is minus 5x plus 10.
10 minutes.
Right, question number 4. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder are x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. Here I am dividing the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x. We got a quotient x minus 2, remainder is minus 2x plus 4. We should find out this g of x. We have one rule. We know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here dividend is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, that is the dividend. Divisor we don't know, it is g of x into quotient is x minus 2 plus remainder is minus 2x plus 4. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is called division algorithm. So let us use that formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal to g of x into x minus 2 plus minus 2x plus 4. We have to find g of x. So send minus 2x plus 4 this side. It is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus 2x will become plus 2x plus 4 will become minus 4. So it is x cube minus 3x square, 2x plus x is 3x, 2 minus 4 is minus 2 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. Here into is there, if you send x minus 2 this side it will become division. So it is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2, that is g of x. So if you want g of x, we have to divide the given polynomial by x minus 2. So x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, this should be divided by x minus 2, then that gives g of x. Now x into how much is equal to x cube? X into x square. So x square into x is x cube x square into minus 2 is minus 2x square. Minus 3x square plus 2x square, it is minus x square. Next term we have to take 3x. Now x into how much is equal to minus x square? X into minus x. X into minus x is minus x square. Minus x into minus 2 is 2x. 3x minus 2x is x. Next term is minus 2. Now x into how much is equal to x? X into 1. So 1 into x is x. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. So if you subtract, you have to change the sign. So we get the answer 0. Therefore, g of x is equal to, answer is, this quotient is the answer, x square minus x plus 1. This is g of x. 16. So first polynomial given, that is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, that polynomial is dividend. So dividend is equal to, formula is divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend is this, divisor we have to find. Quotient is given as x minus 2, remainder is minus 2x plus 4. Minus 2x plus 4 you take this side and you get g of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. If you divide this polynomial by x minus 2, you will get the answer. That answer is g of x.